In this video, I'll show you how to split an Excel worksheet into multiple sheets based on a column value. The first step is to check our site to download the free add-in. You can find more productivity apps here. Installing the add-in takes just a few seconds. We have a sales table that contains multiple columns, and I want to split the range based on the name column. Start the add-in by clicking the splitter icon. First, select the data you want to split. Click this icon to browse the data and select the entire range. Next, select the key column you want to group. Select the output type. You have two options: create new tabs in the same worksheet, or create new files in a specific directory. In the example, I want to split the range in this workbook. So, choose this option. Let's see the formatting options. You can convert the output to table objects, or keep the original formulas in source formatting. Click the Split button. The add-in will split the worksheet into multiple worksheets based on the selected column. The original data remains untouched. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.